Hello, it is like 5:16 p.m. on Friday, June 15th, 2018, and I'm right outside the old Smithtown schoolhouse, Monongalia County in Smithtown, West Virginia. And they're having a car cruise in here this evening. And I'll show you a little video highlight of it. Okay, here it is. Okay. The bear in the seat sitting. Betty Boop on that side. Yeah, I need to get some still pictures of it too. Oh, it's getting on me.
I knew that's why I really.
Yep, I've been down there a couple times. We've been the phone ringing. Somebody went to talk to somebody in a commercial, and he gets.
That one's still running, it sounds like.
I'm naming it. We got kind of on one hand people who live in.
Oh yeah.
Especially if they're open at early in the morning.
Yeah, those guys don't
Which
get
is pretty much wings and chips. That's pretty much it for it.
I've never been automotive. You don't know what. No, you don't.
Not very many here right now. Yes. There's another one there. There's the bill in the old schoolhouse.
Man, but I've done the same thing.
Well, I wish I still had to move my motor.
I'll bet you like that there too.
It runs nice.
When the water rear end of this, huh?
It has a full rear end.
It's 5:51. I think some more have come by. These were already here a while ago. These just came. Yeah, that stuff. I think others have already been here a while. I don't know if that black one. It's 554.
Get out of the house a little bit.
We're at 559. Coming. Oh, it's 6 o'clock. And 6:01, this is another one also came a few minutes ago. And there's that other convertible there pulling in. Must be playing baseball here. Yeah, 6:05. There was a motorcycle that came in like a few minutes ago too. We put a skeleton figure on there. It's a fake.
Yeah, roller cam, roller rockers. I've got it. This bike had a tapered clutch basket. You couldn't get a clutch basket to fit that 6-speed gear shift. It was a climb gear.
More at 6:22 coming. Red one back there. Being more coming, I gotta make more of a video of it. 6:54, another yellow one coming in. We're gonna get close to 10 minutes of video here. These two here came a little while ago too. .56 C, the back's here. That one's got a, must be a storage thing on the back, whatever you call it. Here it is at 7:12 p.m. That one's starting to move out of here. It's going on till 8 o'clock. But I think this is just going to be the close of it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. And from Smithtown community in Monongalia County, West Virginia. It's a car cruise at the Smithtown schoolhouse. So, like, comment, subscribe. And be looking for more videos. Because if you're watching this months later, there will be more that you'll see right below this one. And have a nice day whenever you're watching this. And goodbye.